Ehang, a pioneer in urban air mobility, is transforming transportation with their autonomous aerial vehicles. Their vision for the future of transportation reflects an underground bus system with centralized oversight and fixed point-to-point paths. Ehangs. While urban applications of autonomous aerial vehicles are often highlighted, Ehang's models suggest that autonomous aerial vehicle trips could be more cost-effective than traditional taxi rides, making it a profitable venture for operators. Safety is designed with as a priority, featuring power source redundancy and backup systems for flight control, communications, and navigation. Ehang also sees possibilities in non-urban settings, substituting services already offered by helicopters in several industries. Ehang's transforming idea for transportation could soon be a regular feature of our life. Plana Hybrid, perfect for city-to-city travel. Providing a seamless and efficient travel experience, the Plana Hybrid is launching a unique eVTOL aircraft positioned to change urban air transportation with an astounding range of 500 kilometers and seating for 7 people. The Plana CPZ-1 type is notable for its sophisticated design with 6 tilt-rotor engines and a turbine generator. With a top speed of 186 miles per hour, the Plana Hybrid is not only swift, but also remarkably quiet, offering a comfortable ride. Plana is committed to achieve FAA certification, with a prototype expected by 2025 and full-scale production by 2028. Company has already secured significant partnerships, including a deal with Osaka Sky Taxi, signifying a new era of convenient and green intercity travel. Get ready to soar above traffic and experience a new level of urban transportation with the Plana Hybrid, where innovation meets sustainability and the future of travel is redefined. Skytrain in China. China is testing its first autonomous flying train. Even if technically it doesn't fly, it sure looks futuristic. Operating as a full-fledged train just in the air, the Skytrain is suspended from an overhead monorail spanning 10.5 kilometers in length, capable of reaching speeds of 60 kilometers per hour. The construction of this monorail took only 7 months. Thus, the installation time is comparable to conventional train tracks. The Skytrain promises to transform urban transport, offering a mix of efficiency, safety, and space optimization. More space for people and vehicles means fewer accidents, and all of this at the same cost as a conventional train. This is a glimpse into the future of public transportation. GAC presents Gove. Chinese manufacturer GAC showcased an amazing concept: Gove flying car. This innovative vehicle effortlessly blends ground and air travel, combining the convenience of ground transportation with the adaptability of air travel. The Gove has a distinctive design, with a single-seat passenger capsule built on a low 4-wheel chassis, while the upper part is a detachable single-seat copter with 6 folding blades. This dual feature lets the car switch between driving and flying modes easily. The Gove runs independently, so passengers set their destination using a tablet. The Gove's ability to autonomously travel to a charging station during flight saves owners time. The chassis functions as an electric car, allowing the flying module to navigate public roads. The Gove combines cutting-edge technology with practicality for a new era of mobility. In terms of passenger transportation unmanned aerial vehicles, the Ehang 2, developed by Chinese company Ehang, represents a significant progress. Designed to fit short and medium-distance travel, this innovative drone taxi offers a novel way for urban movement with 2-passenger capacity. 8 pairs of rotors in the Ehang 216S ensure a safe and steady flight experience motivated just by electricity. Given its low noise level and environmental benefits, this aerial taxi stand is a great solution for cities. The drone's totally autonomous flight control technology allows them takeoff, negotiate, and land free from human intervention. Its robust safety precautions in case of a rotor failure accentuate this independent capacity. The Ehang 216S can safely keep on its flight and execute an emergency landing at a maximum speed of 130 kilometers per hour and an altitude ceiling of 3,000 meters. The Ehang 216S is designed for rapid and efficient mobility both inside cities and in the environs. Designed to convert emergency response and personal air mobility, the innovative electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft Aero JA1 is designed for both speed and efficiency. This elegant and small aircraft allows quick deployment to vital events when time is of the importance driven by innovative electric propulsion. The JA1 offers a silent emissions-free flight, which makes it perfect for isolated areas as well as metropolitan settings. Its state-of-the-art design guarantees simplicity of use and confidence for users by including strong safety systems and easy controls. Providing a quick, dependable, and sustainable solution for pressing demands, the Aero JA1 is poised to transform emergency response in personal aviation. Venture into the future with the ARX, a massive piloted robot with impressive performance and practicality. Built from high-carbon steel and aluminum for durability, this remarkable machine weighs 3.5 tons and stands 45 meters tall. Step inside the ARX's comfy cockpit with joysticks, pedals, touchscreens, and camera monitors through the simple door. The easy control system smooths piloting and connects you to the machine. We prioritize safety at ARX. Sticking to strict international standards for accident prevention, ARX can transform from a powerful robot mode to a functional vehicle mode with front-wheel drive for controlled movement in difficult environments. The 26 joints movement makes it agile. The adaptable ARX can be used in industrial activities, disaster aid, and robotic entertainment. The Personal Electric Vertical Takeoff and Landing (EB) tall aircraft from the Flyer is a game-changer. Imagine traveling to your destination completely bypassing ground traffic while laws for personal eVTOL use are still developing. The Flyer is calling all adrenaline addicts. The Flyer provides an enticing look into an urban transportation future without traffic congestion. Imagine driving over cityscapes, dodging busy streets, and landing exactly where you need to be. The Flyer is a revolutionary leap in personal mobility. With its cutting-edge safety features and user-friendly controls, the Flyer is accessible to even those who have never flown before. It offers commuters and urban explorers alike a newfound sense of freedom and excitement. The South China Morning Post reports that during recent tests in a 2-kilometer low vacuum tube, the China Aerospace Science and Industry Corporation CASIC announced a groundbreaking accomplishment in high-speed transportation. Its new magnetically levitated train flight surpassed its previous record of 623 kilometers per hour, though the precise speed is still unknown. According to CASIC, a significant advancement has been made. This test establishes the system's preparedness, paves the way for upcoming high-speed trials, and may even lead to the creation of a nationwide maglev network. Maglev technology uses strong magnets to propel and levitate trains above their tracks. The train goes through a low vacuum tube that was especially made to reduce air resistance, increasing its speed even more as it moves forward. Designed for short flights inside cities, the Archer Midnight is a groundbreaking electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle. This 5-seater has a neat look and 12 propellers with outstanding performance. 6 fixed propellers with 2 blades each provide thrust for critical phases of flight. 6 tilt propellers with 5 blades each can adjust angles for vertical lift during takeoff and landing. This unique arrangement guarantees efficiency, safety, and minimum noise compared to conventional helicopters. Comfort of the passengers is first given by a large cabin that permits fast turnaround times between flights. Built from strong but lightweight carbon fiber, the Nocturnal gives an estimated range of 100 miles and cruises at 150 miles per hour, therefore stressing both range and safety. With a fresh feature setting NIO's ET9 sedan apart from other electric vehicles, it using hydraulic suspension, The car's sophisticated chassis technology lets one shake off snow from their roof in a manner like to a dog. Although drivers are encouraged to lock loose objects within the cabin, such coffee cups, to avoid any spilling or mayhem, the ET9 recently proved its ability to swing from side to side, efficiently cleaning snow from its roof without requiring any outside aid. With a robust dual-motor powertrain that develops an incredible 707 horsepower, thereby providing both speed and performance. The ET9, debuted at the end of last year, is a pinnacle of luxury and technology in the electric vehicle sector. Offering a starting price of more than $110,000 and a notable 120 kilowatt-hour battery, the automobile provides an incredible 255-kilometer range after just 5 minutes of rapid charging. Priced at $50,000, BYD Yang Wang U8 is the first floating SUV available worldwide. It is a revolutionary car. While stationary, the base model can ford up to 1 meter of water. The off-road edition handles up to 1.4 meters in deeper water. The high-tech SUV has a hydraulic system that modulates its height by 150 millimeters and tank turn capability for 360 degrees rotations. Designed for emergency use only, not for recreational water crossing, the vehicle requires service center inspection. Close air conditioning circulates internally, and the sunroof opens for an emergency exit. It can float for 30 minutes and move at 3 kilometers per hour.